What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you the pistol I have made. Don't know what model it is, but I have copied it from some YouTuber who was actually making the gun for the same purpose, to help people make their own guns out of Legos. If this gun is made up of the same parts which I used for my previous gun, which was made out of the Lego jet set, and I've broken that gun. Now, I have also made, you must remember these pieces. I've used these two for barrels and etc. This is the case for the gun, the magazine, the three stud long bullets, which are 1 stud wide. This is the locking mechanism, which is the first time I have ever made a locking mechanism. The trigger, different technology. First time I've used the gears to make a trigger that works. And here you're seeing there is a bud that helps in firing the gun. Now this is also a locking mechanism so that the bullets don't fly off when I'm reloading it. While I'm loading the magazine with the gun, the bullets. I've used the same old technology of using an axle to ensure that the bullets don't slide off, because this area is open. And also I've copied this from the YouTuber. Here you see, this is the locking mechanism. It slides open. Yeah. And now you'll see how this white stuff opens. Here you see, when I slide it inside, because of the pressure from this projection, it opens and the gun is ready to fire. Well, not fire because I haven't loaded it yet. This is the first tick sound, which is when the bullet is loaded, and when the trigger is loaded. After that sound comes the other sound. Yes, that tick. Okay. Now it is ready to fire. Pause it. I am having a seriously bad aim. Oh, good. Because